Scottsdale is well known for golf courses and year-round sunshine. But today, Scottsdale is well known and on many brides' bucket lists. I'm Teresa Krakauer with American Dream TV, and this is Scottsdale Bachelorette. I'm here with Casey Lozano, who is the owner and founder of Scottsdale Bachelorette. I'm so excited. Can you tell me a little bit about what made you start this company and a little bit more about it?
Yeah, so Scottsdale Bachelorette, we're the #1 bachelorette party planning company in Scottsdale. We specialize in really doing everything that they need for the bachelorette weekend so that process can be completely stress-free for them. They can come and have an amazing time. Everything from pre-arrival decorating to fridge stocking to activities, excursions, transportation, restaurants, nightlife. I mean, you name it, we can handle it all for them.
So we're at your corporate headquarters in Scottsdale today, and can you tell me a little bit about what goes on here? How do you prep for these huge parties?
Yes, this is kind of our mission control area, if you will. What we do is every single week we take the parties that we have and we basically look at what each one's needs. So we're gonna do balloon garlands for them, we're gonna fill the buckets with all the cups, hangover recovery kits that they need, basically everything that they've picked in their package, we're gonna do it right here. That way when we go to the Airbnbs and set everything up, we can just knock it right out.
And can they customize it? I mean, are there certain themes that they have to stick to, or?
Yeah, we have some preset themes, some themes that are really popular. For example, we had a Shrek theme, we had a Princess Diaries theme. So we've had all of these really unique custom themes as well. And so we really pride ourselves in being able to say, tell us what you want and we'll make it happen.
So Casey, thanks so much for bringing us to one of your short-term vacation rentals. How many bedrooms would an investor who wanted to get into this business, how many bedrooms would they be looking for? How many bathrooms? How many people do you have to fit into the space?
Yeah, bachelorette groups are typically about 10 to 12 on average.
Okay.
So that's why I chose to look for a 4-bedroom, 3-bath. And I worked with the design company to, make the property in such a way that we can fit the right amount of beds so that it can sleep 12 people. I think that's what it really comes down to, is making sure that the property stands out, that it's different, and that it attracts the right people to come and stay there. There's hundreds, if not thousands, of short-term rentals in the area, and so, what do you gotta do? You have to do something to make sure that your property stands out and is the clear choice for the type of guest that you're looking to attract.
So Casey, I know it's all about outdoor living in Arizona. So tell me a little bit about what you've done out here.
Well, I really chose this property because of the amazing outdoor space. You've got an outdoor dining table, you've got a patio. We converted this shed into a nice little bar. We've got a beautiful mural that says girls just want to have sun. And then we decided to do these amazing cabanas. If you guys come over here.
Well, and great for photos and Instagram. Once again, I can see where somebody would order. You could have the bartender here, and then you can have cabana boys serving everybody.
That's right.
And that would be a great afternoon or evening.
If someone's out there watching this and thinking like, I'd like to do something like that, but don't really know how to make it happen.
Great.
It's great is that there's resources and companies to help make it happen for you. So I provided a little bit of guidance and kind of who I was trying to target and attract, and they really helped me design everything, and even virtually as well.
I'm so excited that this house is now perfect for the next group of bachelorettes. Casey, thank you so much for taking us on a tour of your company today.
Thank you so much for having me.
I can see why Scottsdale Bachelorette is so successful and why Scottsdale is the new center for bachelorette parties. I'm Teresa Krakauer with American Dream TV. Until next time.